Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, magugupit tayo ng one length bob and texturize ends to emphasize haircut. We start at V-shape sectioning at the top and diagonal back. Cut lang natin, zero comb, free hand cutting. Second sectioning, bababa tayo ng 1/2 inch. Third sectioning, the same length, zero comb through, freehand cutting. This side, the same length, connected at the back. The other side are the same length, and connected to the back. Now we have a guide length, so follow the guide length all over the hair. And in the front, we make sure that we check the balance both sides. After blower, we use thinning scissors section by section to texturize the ends. Do the same at the other side. Make sure that to use thinning scissor, not too much. Do the same at the back, using thinning scissor, free hand cutting. Wow, look at the result. This haircut is manageable. This is good for kids. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.